In this example, I will show you how to construct the biconditional statement. Biconditional statement saying that this symbol here means if and only if. P is only if Q. Biconditional statement also can view as a statement look like P, if P, then Q. And then we join the words and if Q, then P together. So it's like you do, we have the conditional statement, but you do both way. So here is the definition of the biconditional statement. If true, is only if true. It's kind of a long way to read it, but this means if and only if. So P, if and only if Q. This case here true. If and only if true, then the whole statement is true. If true, if and only if false, the whole statement is false. It's saying if we have true or false statement, if and only if with true statement, the whole thing is false. And at the end, you have false, if and only if false, the whole thing is true. So the example, we will try to construct the statement. First, we construct one column for each letter. So I did right here. And if you have any negation, it's easy to construct one column for that. And now this is my antecedent, is my consequence. Right here is my if and only if. So I have this compound statement. I construct one column for that. So that this is my other compound statement. I have one column for that. That's how I know how many columns I need. And then at the end, we construct a whole statement. I mean, if and only if statement for these two compounds. So to the short writing, I'm using this statement here. I call statement 1, and this is statement 2. So I put 1, if and only if 2, which is this 2 column here. So this is say or. So P or Q. True or true, true. True or false, true. False or true, true. False or false, false. This statement here had not Q, so we negate Q. So we negate this column, so I have false, true, false, and true. Now the next column I have not Q. If not Q, then P. So we look at if this, we take this column and we join with this column by the conditional. So if false, then true, the whole thing is true. Because I know from my physics example, if true, then true, the whole thing is true. If false, then false is true. If true, then false is false. Now we combine these two statements with the biconditional. So 1 if and only if 2. So I'm picking this 2 column here. So true, only if true is true. We have true here and true here, also true. True is true, also true. We have false and only if false is also true. By using the last possibility here. So here's our answer. Because our answer at the end here, our statement here is true, this statement here also called tautology. Because all my possible cases at the end is true.